Deep Nostalgia application is a tool that can add facial animations to all photos, bringing to life all portrait photos by adding animations such as smiles, nods, blinks, or tilts of the head. The result is a representation of what a normal person would look like if instead of taking a photo, we had recorded a short video. Basically, the system clones the movements or recorded example videos and the photos you provide to the system. To use it, you can download the application on your smartphone or go directly to the official website. You must register with some required details, including name, email ID, passport, among others. Next, upload your old photos or those of your friends that you want to turn into an animation. Click on the Go option. It takes some time for the portal app to convert the still photos into animated ones. Once the animated photo is created, you will be able to share it directly on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It is important to stress and warn that you should not use this technology to create deepfake videos of public figures or anyone else without their permission, as that constitutes a crime. Currently, the platform can only animate one face in a photo and not several. Users have the option to crop a face from a group photo and animate it using Deep Nostalgia. You also have the option to sign up for a free account to use Deep Nostalgia, which is limited to a small number of animations. Once you sign up for a subscription plan, other animation options are available.